Nirmahal, which means water palace. It is the largest water palace in the Indian subcontinent, which is in Tripura. We have two water palaces all over India. The first is in Jaipur and the second Nirmahal is in Tripura. So today in this video I will tell you some such secrets related to Nirmahal. So first of all, the name of this place is Melagarh, district Sipaijala in Tripura, and the name of the palace from wherever I have taken a boat is that's Rajghat. Name of this river is Rudrasagar Lake. Its area is 5.3 km square and name of this palace is Nirmahal. Nir means water palace. It was the summer palace of Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur, the last king of Tripura. The king of Nirmahal, Maharaja Bir Bikram Manikya Bahadur, who lived in Agartala. After crossing the Rudrasagar Lake, he used to came to Nirmahal only for holidays. Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur had the idea to build Nirmahal, which the built from 1930 to 1938, and the company that built Nirmahal was a British company, whose name was the British Company of Martin and Barnard. Nirmahal has been built in such a way that you can divide it into two parts. One side was made only for the members of the royal families, and other side was made for soldiers. Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya Bahadur was the last king of Tripura, and his son name Kirit Barman Kishore Dev Barman. As like every son wishes, he will become king after his father. Similarly, Kritik Barman ji also wished that after Maharaja Bir Bikram ji, he should become his king. But when India got independence in 1947, then the Rajyuk dictatorship ended in India and Loktantra has come. After India got independence in 1947, Nirmahal remained empty of about nearly 10 to 15 years. That's why the locals started coming here and living here. But after 18 years, the government got this place vacated with the help of police, and they renovated it and opened it for the tourists. The name of Nirmahal has given by Rabindranath Tagore, because Rabindranath Tagore was very close to family of Maharaja Bir Bikram Manikya. Maharaja Bir Bikram Singh has done his studies from abroad, and while studying Maharaja built this Nirmahal. While studying, he used to send small parts of Nirmahal from abroad, and one of them was 3 generators that giving electricity to Nirmahal. At that time when there no electricity in any corner of India, at that time Raja Bir Bikram Kishore Bahadur imported 3 generators specially Nirmahal. And now my friend is sitting on there for motivating himself. It is believed that at the time of British rule, when the Britishers used to came to collect their tax from the king, then the Britishers could cross Kolkata and Bangladesh and came from Rudrasagar Lake only till Nirmahal. It was in Nirmahal that the kings of Tripura used to meet and pay taxes to the Britishers, because they never allowed any Britishers to even entry in Agartala. That's why a dancing room has been built near the Maharaja's bedroom in Nirmahal, around which all the guests used to come and enjoy, and Britishers used to go back from Mahal after taking their tax. The parking of his motorboat outside the palace, he also made it next to his bedroom from the away behind the palace. That was the Maharaja's private boat parking, and the even built a private garden for his queen. It was a drinking water well, and in many tourists dropped there some money. So my friend also decided he want to drop some money, but he was confused about how much money he will be dropped, and finally he decided to drop 10 rupees. So this is the secret of Nirmahal. Hope you like this video. If you like it, then press like and subscribe.